One of the best tools that any entrepreneur, business owner, and of course marketer has at their disposal is the effective use of words to persuade people to take action. Usually it's action to buy something or to advance a sale or toward a sale, right? Well, copywriters are the ones who study this craft and hopefully perfect it to make things that much more effective in the use of those words, right? This collection of videos that you see on the screen right here is now available 100% for free inside a platform called Free Ad Copy. And you can get access to these. This is my account. I'm a free user of the account. There's also a paid upgraded option. You can get access to these as part of the free 10 credits that are given to you each and every month. Now, what this is a collection of some very, very high-end, somewhat advanced in some cases, copywriting training from some masters of the craft. These guys, in fact, run a monthly training and mastermind program for professional copywriters. That's something like just short of $500 a month to join and participate. And some of these trainings are outtakes from that. Some of these trainings are from events that they have spoken at, events that have cost several thousands of dollars in some cases. So this is nothing to sneeze at. It's pretty sophisticated training. And just coming over here and getting access, you actually get these 4 trainings for free. I just went through this one, which is the ad hooks generation. How do you really build out lots of opening ideas for an ad and do it really effective using ChatGPT in this case. The whole platform is really built around artificial intelligence supported copywriting. Now, in addition to all of this, really what the site is about is generating ads, generating emails, and so I'm just showing you some templates that you can also come in and use to generate ads with those credits if you so choose, utilizing artificial intelligence to get them built. So here's sort of an example of what it looks like. There's a couple of pieces of information it's going to collect from you in terms of like who you're marketing to, what challenges they have, some of the things that are common but maybe disliked as solutions to the problem that you solve, and etc. And as you work down this list, it will then help you generate the ad through the use of artificial intelligence to sort of build out and guide the process. That's the idea here. And again, this is one of the many features here. This site is all about building out ad copy, but it's also about learning how to effectively utilize copywriting principles, foundational and advanced copywriting principles, and you can get access to this 100% for free. So if you're interested, the link is down below. It's my affiliate link, my referral link, because as you see, one of the options here is to earn credits. When you refer others, you earn credits, which gives you more access to more of the training, more of the templates, and that's exactly what I hope you'll do, is spread the word to unlock more of the videos. If 10 credits a month isn't enough for you, you have the option of also upgrading to a paid version of the platform. Either way, this is incredibly valuable stuff. Knowing the folks behind it, the quality of their training, this is something that I highly, highly recommend you take advantage of, and the link to do so is right below this video.